I purposefully order meat so I don't have to share with my dumb vegetarian friend. I have a friend who is a vegetarian and, honestly, very selfish. She believes that her money is hers and my money is ours. I love sharing food with friends and usually enjoy eating family style, but I dislike sharing food with her because she never shares hers with me. To avoid confrontation, I've started exclusively ordering meat dishes whenever we eat together. Recently, we went out to eat, and I ordered chili cheese fries with steak added on top. She interjected and asked if we could get the steak on the side so we could share. The waiter agreed, and I just stared blankly, silently upset. But when the fries arrived, I immediately dumped all the steak on top and started mixing it in. She tried to stop me, saying, "Wait," but I replied, "Oh, oops, sorry, too late," and continued eating. She then complained that she would have ordered more food if we weren't sharing, and I just said, "Well, then order it," but she didn't, since she was trying to save money. She ended up eating her plain, boring salad and made a comment like, "Man, I wish I had some fries with this." I ignored the tone and cheerfully replied, "You should get some, they're good." Hopefully, she gets the hint soon before I go insane.